Hello, hello, bonjour, and happy holidays! Happy holidays. Thank you for joining me. My name is Sahara, and this is Sahara Sips, a weekly Thursday night live where I share a non-alcoholic drink with you all. Hi, Cree. Welcome. Madly. Yeah, Cree, you're right. I had a few little hiccups, but here I am, and here you are. Do you hear my music? I have a little parang on. And do you hear me? Clearly. Anywho, but do you hear me? Because I'm trying to figure out the proper volume for whenever I have music in the background. Hey, blessings always. How art thou? Hi, Entaste. Hello. Thank you for joining me. Okay, so happy holidays. Yes, happy holidays. So tonight's drink is another holiday Christmas non-alcoholic spirited drink. Non-alcoholic, non-spirited drink. It's pretty simple. It's a lot of fun. It can be sweet, but of course you can change some of the ingredients so that it's not. And it's definitely children friendly, color wise and taste wise. So yes, it is called the Peppermint Julep. So thank you all again for joining me for this episode of Sahara Sips. If you are not following me already, please do across social at Harry Marie and online at harrymarie.com. So happy holidays. So the Peppermint Julep, it's fun. It's gonna be lots of fun. Quick, lots of fun recipe. Okay, so the Peppermint Julep is made up of candy cane, peppermint candy cane syrup, which I have here. I have some leftovers here. You can kind of see the color of it. Hi, Jade, and the real Sion. Welcome. So I'm just going over the ingredients of the Peppermint Julep. So I have some remnants of my candy cane syrup that I made. And I made this by taking peppermint candy, the white or red peppermint candy, or candy canes. And so about 5 candy canes, or depending on how much peppermint candy you want to use. And I did it kind of equal parts. So if you have 5 candy canes, you want to do a cup of water. If you have 5 pieces of candy canes, you can do a quarter cup of water. So I used a lot this week because I had a virtual happy hour that I hosted for a networking group over the weekend, and so I used some of it already. So as you can see, it's kind of like right at the bottom. That's the white part of the candy, and this is the pink part. But it comes out this kind of pinkish color. Add the tonic. That was the Grinch last week, But I might try this with the tonic this week. So let's see. So I have my peppermint or candy cane simple syrup here that we made. Very easy to make. So you can kind of make simple syrup out of anything. Like I actually have butterscotch candy, and if I wanted to, I could use a cup of butterscotch candy and a cup of water and boil that down, and then you would have butterscotch candy. So if you wanted to make something that was like, I'm thinking about Harry Potter right now, and you want to like a Harry Potter like drink, that's how you can make butterscotch simple syrup. So I have my peppermint candy cane simple syrup. I have some mint leaves here to garnish, and then I have my cranberry ginger ale soda. So those are the 3 main ingredients two main ingredients. One is the garnishing, and then I also have my candy cane to also garnish. Hi, Raw Caramel. Thank you for joining. So we'll get into why this color later. But anywho, if you want to make peppermint simple syrup, you can also use mint for this cocktail. I also have mint, but the peppermint simple syrup from the candy cane just adds something much more festive. Mine is the color, it being pink and in theme with Merry Christmas and the holidays. Just actually cooking or boiling or making the simple syrup out of the peppermint candy cane. It's like, yes, I'm really in the holiday spirit. So, and this is our julep glass. It's my new addition to my family. I think it's so cute. I think it's cute. It's so cute, right? So like when they have like these julep recipes, they usually put it in this kind of glass. But I got the glass one because I wanted it to be see-through, but they actually have it in like metal like silver. Let's get into it. So I guess it's gonna be a simple, quick recipe, definitely in the holiday spirit of Christmas, and it's gonna taste very, very good and delicious, and actually not too sweet based off of the simple syrup that we made. So let's get into it. And actually we're building this all in the glass. We don't even need a cocktail shaker tonight, which makes me very, very happy because we don't have to have additional materials. So we're building it all in the glass. All right, so in our julep glass, we're gonna fill it with ice. And we're gonna use 1 ounce of our peppermint candy cane simple syrup. If you have mint, you can use mint simple syrup as well. It's just to add to the sweetness and to give it that peppermint, that mint flavor to the drink. You know, when you eat candy canes, it's minty, so it makes the drink minty. Ooh, isn't that beautiful? It's like a creamy goodness. Kind of like Pepto-Bismol, but not Pepto-Bismol, okay? It smells so good. It smells so good. All right, so this is our peppermint candy cane syrup. And then we're going to add 3 ounces of the cranberry ginger ale. Now, we're using cranberry ginger ale because, you know, cranberries is very holiday-esque fruit as well. And so we want it to be a mocktail, so we're using ginger ale, so why not use cranberry ginger ale? They also have this in like the packets, like to go, so you can like buy like a bottle of seltzer or club soda and just add the packet to the bottle or to a glass, and then you can make this packet form. So yeah, it does like strawberry quick. It really does, but it's definitely minty. Yeah, it's cute already, right? Okay, so we have the simple syrup in there, and we're gonna add 3 ounces of our cranberry ginger ale. Here we have 2 ounces. Here's 1, so that's 3. And you kind of see the color difference already? Like it's really, you know, that thick syrup down there, you know, it's layers. It's layers to this thing. And then we have the cranberry ginger ale. If you want to, you can use the club soda, plain club soda, sparkling water, Prosecco, vodka. But I would still use your cranberry ginger ale, and I would use 1.5 ounce of cranberry ginger ale and 1.5 ounce of vodka, so that it wouldn't take away from the mint of the simple syrup and also from the ginger ale, the cranberry ginger ale. You just kind of want to keep that flavoring. All right, like I said, this is a quick, simple drink for the holidays. And here's our mint. Gonna slap that. Ooh, the moment I slapped it, the aromas just hit me like, oh my gosh, so good. Lay that right in there. Here's what we have so far. And then to give it our festive, you know, topping, I'm gonna add a candy cane. Now, I'm not traditional, so I wanted to get something, of course, much sweeter, because I just like to add more sugar to everything. So this candy cane is actually rainbow candy cane. With all the different flavors of cherry and blueberry. And so, you know, why not go festive and go really festive? So you can either break the candy cane, but I'm gonna put the whole thing in there because I also want to make it like a straw, so that when I mix the simple syrup in there. So here is our Peppermint Julep. What do you guys think? Isn't it cute? No, it smells so minty, but it's sweet. So now we're gonna stir that bad boy in there. You can stir the mint as well too to give it some more of the mint flavor. You know? Like a straw. Oh my god, that tastes so good. Guys, delicious. Delish! So yeah, this is our Peppermint Julep. A really quick, fun, 3-ingredient mocktail for the holiday season. What do you guys think? Oh my god, so what are you guys doing for the holidays? Who's not working? Who's working? Who has like the full time off? What are you guys doing? Did you guys finish shopping? So I went to buy a gift today, and I was told I needed to make an appointment. I don't know how I feel about making appointments to spend my money. Anybody else not feeling that? I don't like lines to spend my money. I don't know. You did no shopping, Cree? Wow. I'm probably gonna definitely shop on Saturday. Completely off. That is completely off. That's great. I was supposed to be off today, and I got an email and I answered it because it's just not like me to really ignore. But to be given off and then be told, hey, we need you, it stinks. WDF. What does that mean, blessings? Guys, you guys are missing out. Christmas. Oh my gosh, it's really sweet, but it has that mint, refreshing taste to it. Who knew that a peppermint candy cane mint drink would be so delicious? I don't know what WDF stands for. Okay, so the Zoom over the weekend. So it was a networking women's group. They have like several chapters. So it's called Mochas with Moms, and they have chapters all over the United States. And this chapter was in San Francisco Valley in California. Oh, got it. What the F? So this chapter was in California, in San Francisco Valley, and it was really, really nice. I did 3 drinks. This is one of them, and they were really, really happy that they actually learned some things, and they were just happy. It was really, really fun. Like, so they had it was a holiday party. Let's start with that. So it was a holiday party that they had virtually, and they had a mixologist, me, a magician, and someone who was singing. Yes, we'll get back to that, blessing. And so I was the first feature presenter performer, and there's a few people who already had, they got the ingredients, and they had made the drink beforehand, and so that when I was making it, they were like, I had this right here, and they really enjoyed it. I made 3. We made the lavender bump, which was another simple one. We made a cucumber and basil gimlet, and then we made the peppermint julep. And they learned some new words, and they were really happy about that. And it was a lot of fun. It started at 8 p.m. Pacific time, and so that was 11 o'clock for me Eastern time, and it was really fun. So hopefully I'll be doing more of those. But yes, back to blessings. So yeah, so I went to the city, like, oh my god, I'm gonna buy this gift for my mom, and they were like, oh, you need to make an appointment, and I'm like, to do what? And so I made an appointment for Saturday to spend my money. I don't know how I feel about that. Hi D. So, but I want to get this thing for my mom. So I'm gonna go on Saturday to make an appointment and spend my money. Very strange, but the times we live in, it's very, very strange. So anywho, thank you all for joining me for the Peppermint Julep. And again, we used, I have left of peppermint simple syrup, which I made with candy canes and water. Then I have my cranberry ginger ale, which also has packets in the discount store. And then I have fresh mint, and we garnished with a candy cane as well. Your preference, any flavor. They actually have Sour Patch candy canes too. So this is the Peppermint Julep. And if you aren't already, please follow me across social at harrymarie.com and at Harry Marie, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Hey, Smile OD, happy birthday to you. Everyone say happy birthday. Happy birthday to Smile OD. Happy birthday, Smile OD. Happy birthday to you. Okay, she just joined me, so I wanted to say happy birthday to her. So yeah, that is the Peppermint Julep. And I'm still working on that lemongrass, blackberry New Year's drink. So we shall see. Yes, happy birthday, Smile OD. All right, guys. So happy holidays to you all. And thank you for joining me again. And if I don't see you for the new year, I don't know. Happy New Year as well. Let's see what I create. Right, Jade? Right. Absolutely. It's all about what I come up with. I've been coming up with a lot of things this past week, so we'll see. We shall see. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. Happy holidays. Enjoy your break. Enjoy your time off from work. Enjoy your time with your family and your loved ones. Do give each other love, hugs, and kisses, especially now. Very, very important. So toodles. Bye, guys. It's Christmas morning.